Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common MongoDB error, MongoServerError, bad auth authentication failed. This error means MongoDB is denying your connection. It happens when the username, password, or authentication database you're using isn't correct. Don't worry, we'll walk through several solutions to fix this. First, let's confirm your credentials. Double-check the username and password in your connection string or MongoDB client. Ensure you haven't mistyped anything. Even a small error can cause authentication to fail. Pay close attention to capitalization and special characters. Next, verify the authentication database. MongoDB uses a specific database to authenticate users. Typically, this is the admin database, but it might be different in your setup. Your connection string should include the correct auth source parameter. For example, MongoDB //user password at host port /database, auth source equals admin specifies the admin database for authentication. If you are using MongoDB Atlas, ensure the IP address you are connecting from is whitelisted in your network access settings. Atlas only allows connections from explicitly authorized IP addresses for security reasons. If you're running MongoDB with authentication enabled, create a user with the necessary roles in the correct database. To do this, connect to MongoDB using the Mongo shell. Switch to the admin database using useAdmin. Then, use the db.getUser method to create a new user or modify an existing one. For example, db.getUser, user, my user, pwd, my password, roles, role, read-write, db, my database. This creates a user named my user with my password and grants read and write access to the my database. Remember to flush the privileges using db.auth, my user, my password, and db.admin command, flush privileges changes, true. This ensures the changes are applied immediately. Also, check your MongoDB configuration file, mongod.conf. Ensure authentication is enabled. The configuration file should include security, authorization, enabled. If this line is commented out or set to disabled, MongoDB will not require authentication, but if it is set to enabled, a username and password must be supplied. If you are using Docker, check the environment variables that you are passing. You might be overwriting the authentication or username and password information by mistake, or have not configured the environment variables correctly. Restarting the MongoDB server after making changes to the configuration is crucial for the changes to take effect. If you're still facing issues, review the MongoDB logs for more detailed error messages. These logs often provide valuable clues about why authentication is failing. The location of the logs depends on your operating system and MongoDB configuration. Debugging authentication issues can be tricky, but systematically checking your credentials, authentication database, user roles, and MongoDB configuration will help you pinpoint the problem. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you fix the MongoServerError, bad auth authentication failed error. If you found this useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more MongoDB tutorials. Your support helps me create more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover.